11.20, 11.30, 11.30 beers, 40, 11.40, 11.40 beers, 50, 11.50, 60, 11.60, 11.70, 11.70 beers, 11.80, 11.80 beers, 11.80 beers, 11.80, bidding, goes to the last way.
Martin, so that's you. I'll be 13.20, 13.29, sell them along, be quick, finish, done at 13.20. I'll go to Davison Town now, right, number.
Yeah, 3,100 cattle in Tamworth today. There was a wide range of buyers here from northern New South Wales all the way down to a few Victorian representatives, a few local activity as well, a lot of buyers out of the Hunter Valley. The cattle came from afar, a big run of cows that Elders had on account of the Kilburnie Cattle Company. They were a bit of a feature lot here today. The preg-tested cows sold anywhere up to $1,600. The cows and calves making just over $2,000 for some nice young cows and calves. Steer market very strong, and the heifer market slightly cheaper. But in saying that, it was a fair few numbers, as I said.